In this video, explore how Claude transforms debugging large codebases by streamlining error detection and enhancing team collaboration, equipping you with the skills to optimize your software development process efficiently.
Ever wondered how some developers seem to effortlessly manage massive codebases? The secret lies in powerful tools like Claude. This video unveils Claude's vital role in debugging large codebases, a crucial aspect of modern software development. Stay tuned as we dive into Claude's core features, how it analyzes complex code structures, and the seamless integration it offers with version control systems. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, understanding Claude can significantly enhance your debugging prowess.
Claude stands out with its comprehensive suite of debugging tools, offering real-time error detection and analysis capabilities tailored for large-scale projects. Its user-friendly interface allows developers to navigate effortlessly, pinpointing issues without the usual hassle. Claude's scalability ensures it remains effective, irrespective of project size. Additionally, its seamless integration with other development tools makes it a preferred choice for developers. Imagine having a tool that not only detects errors but also predicts potential failures, all while keeping your workflow intact. That's exactly what Claude brings to the table, transforming how developers approach debugging. Claude leverages advanced AI algorithms to dissect complex code structures, identifying patterns that could lead to potential issues. This proactive approach not only highlights existing errors but also suggests optimization strategies. Imagine a tool that not only points out what's wrong but also guides you on how to fix it. Claude's AI-driven insights ensure that your code is not just error-free but also optimized for performance. This capability is transformative, particularly for teams working on intricate projects where even minor errors can lead to significant setbacks. Claude's intelligent analysis enhances overall development efficiency, saving both time and resources.
Claude's intuitive debugging dashboard is designed with the user in mind, featuring a simplified interface that makes navigation a breeze. Developers can customize their views to focus on specific areas of interest, ensuring that they have all the relevant information at their fingertips. With real-time insights and access to an integrated toolset, Claude empowers developers to tackle issues efficiently. The dashboard's accessibility features make it suitable for all users, regardless of their technical expertise. This design philosophy ensures that every developer can leverage Claude's full potential, making debugging a more manageable and less daunting task.
One of Claude's most powerful features is its ability to predict potential code failures using predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and current coding practices, Claude's AI can forecast areas that might lead to errors, providing developers with a chance to address issues before they manifest. This not only reduces downtime but also enhances the overall reliability of the codebase. Proactive error management becomes a reality, allowing teams to focus on innovation rather than firefighting. With Claude, developers are not just reacting to problems, they are anticipating and preventing them, marking a significant shift in how debugging is approached. Claude facilitates collaborative debugging by allowing team members to work together in shared sessions. This feature is particularly beneficial in environments where teamwork and communication are crucial. Real-time communication tools within Claude ensure that team members can discuss issues as they arise, leading to quicker resolutions. The integration with version control systems further enhances teamwork by keeping everyone on the same page regarding code changes. Claude's collaborative features not only improve debugging efficiency but also foster a sense of teamwork, making it an invaluable tool for development teams striving for excellence. Integrating Claude with version control systems like Git is a seamless process that significantly improves code management. This integration allows developers to track code changes over time, ensuring that they can revert to previous versions if needed. Claude automatically updates with the latest code changes, streamlining the workflow and minimizing the risk of errors. By maintaining a comprehensive history of code adjustments, developers can easily identify when and where issues were introduced, making it easier to address them. This integration not only enhances debugging but also contributes to a more organized and efficient development process.
Claude's continuous learning capabilities are powered by adaptive learning algorithms that improve error detection and tool performance over time. As developers use Claude, it learns from past interactions, adapting its functionality to better suit the needs of the user. This results in a tool that becomes more effective the more it is used, offering long-term productivity gains. Developers can customize the learning settings to focus on specific areas of interest, ensuring that Claude aligns with their unique workflow and challenges. This feature sets Claude apart from traditional debugging tools, providing a personalized and evolving debugging experience.
When comparing Claude to traditional debugging tools, several key differences emerge. Claude's AI-driven approach offers higher efficiency and accuracy, particularly for complex and large-scale projects. The user experience with Claude is more intuitive and streamlined, reducing the learning curve for new users. While traditional tools often require significant manual input, Claude automates many processes, saving time and reducing errors. Though Claude might come with a higher initial investment, the long-term cost-benefit analysis reveals substantial savings in time and resources. Claude represents the future of debugging technology, setting a new standard for efficiency and effectiveness in software development. In conclusion, mastering Claude for debugging large codebases can transform your development process, offering unparalleled efficiency and collaboration. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into Claude's capabilities and inspired you to explore its potential further. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on cutting-edge software development tools. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced debugging techniques using Claude.